we're going to review the scales, minor scales. We have to add the clef and the key signature needed to make this minor scale. So you can see the table of the further charts goes down. We will going to speak about the minor, harmonic minor with raised of the 7 and melodic with raised of the 6 and 7 in a standing way and the key signature in descending way. B flat major. B flat major is the major scale which use two flats it names B flat and E flat. We have to identify with you in which clef it's going to be written. So the first note is B. In this case is B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. So our starting note is the B flat in the bass clef and we write with you B flat and E flat. F harmonic minor. F minor is the scale which has 4 flats, B, E, A, D. And we have to identify which clef it gives for us. This F is written in this whole scale is written in the treble clef. So we have to add with you flats B, E, A, D and write that this one is in treble clef. Add the key signatures B, E, A, D and harmonic, it's raised of the 7. So we find with you the 7th degree and we find with you that this E flat, so we have to raise it up and to add the natural sign. Next one is the E major scale. So E major scale, this is the scale which gives for us 4 sharps. So F, C, G and D. So this note is E and it's descending way, so we're going with you to way back and we can find with you that this E key signature F, C, G, D sharps, this E and this E is written in the bass clef. We have to add with you the sharps. Going to be F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp and nothing else. A flat major. A flat major is the scale with the 4 flats and these flats are B, E, A, D and we check with you this scale, how it is and in which clef it's written. We can find that this scale is written in the treble clef. So we have to write with you 4 flats and that's it. F sharp harmonic minor. F sharp minor use 3 sharps. There are F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. So we check with you the scale in and we have to identify which clef it used. So F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and F sharp. This F written in bass clef. So we write with you the key signature and we need to raise with you the 7th degree. We write with you the degrees and we check with you that this E going to be with the sharp. Next one is the G melodic minor and E harmonic minor. So G minor use 2 flats, it's going to be B flat and E flat and we check with you anyway again the note G and we check the clef, then E minor, so E minor use the 1 sharp, it name going to be F sharp and again the same way we check with you the note and we have to identify the key and after to write the key signature for it. Raise the 7 because it's a harmonic way. Next task, we have to identify with you to name the key of each of these extract. How to do it the easiest way? We have to collect all the accidentals. F sharp, C sharp, A sharp, F sharp, C sharp and let's check. So we have with you F, C and A in F sharp, so we have with you C sharp and A. So we remember with you that the sharps goes in from the F flats, starts from the B flat. So F, C and A. F, C and A. In this, we can find that A is something extra. So in this case, A going to be number 7. So if the A is number 7, we can easily, by writing the scale gradually steps, gradually degrees, we can find that the first degree is degree number which has name B and we check B minor. Why minor? Because it has the raise of the 7. So B minor scale is the scale which used 2 sharps, F sharp and the C sharp, time signature C, and we have to rewrite with you all this extract but add the A sharp anyway. To continue with it. Okay, the next one. It has B flat, it has F sharp, and it has B flat again. So B flat cannot be the raise, but F sharp can be. if F sharp is degree number 7. So let's identify F, E, D, C, B, A, and G. So we reach with you to the G. So F sharp, which and B flat we can find with you in the scale G minor, but anyway we have to add E flat as well. So the key signature going to be E, B flat and E flat. We start to rewrite all this extract. We have to use with you F sharp as like the raise of the 7, but B flat we can avoid. Next, let's see. We have with you C sharp, we have G sharp, we have F sharp, we have F sharp, E sharp, F, G, G, and here all repeated. So where we can find with you? We can find with you Father Charles goes and E. So anyway, the E, it's something extra. Extra, it's degree number 7 always. And we check with you if the E is number 7, gradually going down, reach to the degree number 1, we can find that it's going to be F sharp. F sharp minor. Why minor? Because we have a raise of the 7. So F sharp minor, use 3 sharps. It's going to be F, C, G. We rewrite with you all this extract. We avoid all the sharps except of the E. E sharp going to be written anyway because it show for us the reason that it's minor scale. Let's see the next one. The next one, again use the sharps. We have G sharp, we have B sharp, we have C sharp, we have G, F sharp, G, F, all repeated. So F, C, G, sharps, and then the B sharp. Again, we can find that the B is something extra. It's not in the order. So we have with you B sharp, we're looking for the scale, and we can find with you all the sharps, and we can find with you that the first one actually is the C sharp. So C sharp minor, use 4 sharps, F, C, G, D. So we haven't D here, so we have to add it by ourselves next to the key signature. We write with you all the key signature, F, C, G, D, time signature cross C, and again we rewrite all extract. We used B sharp. Next one, we have already flats. So here E flat, next one is A flat, then E flat, and only these 2. What about B? So we remember that we have with you the flats B, E, A, D. We have E and A, but what about B? B is natural in our case. So in this option, we have with you to count B natural as like our degree number 7, as like raising note. And we can find with you that note to which we reach as like the degree number 1 is C. C minor. C minor use 3 flats. It's B, E, A, and use the B as like the natural. B natural shows for us that this is minor C. Next, look with you. Next, again, B flat, A flat, E flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, B, A, B. So we can find with you that all of them are in order. If we have all of them are in order, we can follow the major. Major with 4 flats, A flat major. We rewrite all this extract with the key signature without any accidentals because this is the major key and it no need to show for us any other. So we have with you C sharp, B flat, and nothing else. We already had this example before where B cannot be the raise. So this C sharp is the raise of the 7, where the C sharp is the 7th, is the scale D, D minor. So D minor is the scale which use 1 flat only. It's going to be B flat, the key signature, and the C sharp, it's our accidental, which we have to write with you anyway. See the next one, it's A flat, D flat, then A flat, B flat. Let's check with you. B, E, A, D, G, C, and F. It's order for the flats, where we cannot find the E. E, the natural sign. We had already with you the similar situation where the B was natural. Now we have to count E as like the natural sign. So if the E is natural, we can find with you that this is the 7th raised. And in our case, it's going to be the new scale, F minor with 4 flats. F minor used 4 flats, B, E, A, D. Then we have to rewrite it and we have to save and to write E natural. The last example, use B, E, A. So B, E, A. B, E, A are in order, so we use major scale. Major scale with 3 flats, E flat major, E flat major, bass clef, 3 flats, and we write it all without any changes. So we can rewrite it without any problems, without just carefully be with the rhythm. And that's it. Please complete this task and send me your homework on my email. Thank you.